continued. My funnel's cold, my funnel's cold. Scarf, I want a scarf. Oh, 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 ow. What, me? Get on, you. Coast, pa. Oh, yes, please, sir. Quack. What? Quack. I quack. A quack. Will. Careful, Thomas. Oh, really? Oh, cinders and ashes. Help! Save me! Good morning. Oh! Grrr. Yes, indeed. Ha! Goodness gracious. Mind my eyes. Help! Beep. Poop. Rubbish. What? What a clever plan. Bother. Bird brain. No, I know. Rubbish was... Ouch! It's too bad. Take that. Oh, what's the matter? Slow down. Fiddlesticks. Grrr, up. Grrr, gosh. Stop. Help. I'm stuck. Buzz. Mind your backs. Buzz off. Oh, phew. This is fun. Go on. I can't. I'm not happy. Don't be vulgar. Shh. Be good gracious. I call him Bulgy, but he can't. Rubbish. Yaboo snubs. Stop. Danger. Clear the quarry. Help. Wait for me. Oh, dear.
Hip. Hooray.
Bossy buffers.
But I do not run a jam factory.
Beep. Wake up, lazy wings.
Lovely stuff.
That would never suit his grace. You impertinent scallywags. But, excuse me. Shh. No, I don't. Fuddy-duddy. Beep. Poor old engine. Fiddlesticks. He's bumped us. I'm ashamed of you. This is lovely. I feel all crooked. No. Whatever next. Ooh. Told you. Stop. Bother. Hooray. What do you mean by leaving me behind? Chicken chopper. Faster. No. Hurrah. Beep. You're late. Sleepers and ballast. I'm off. There's something hanging from the roof. Peter Sam said again and again, his new funnel will put us to shame. Went into the tunnel, lost his old funnel. Now his famous new funnel's a drain. Get out of my way, you great clumsy road hog.
Hello. I'm staying here.
I've got cramp.
Who are you? No. One. We have one. Where is he going?
Well, bust my boiler. Clunk, thump. Stop. Toot.
Disgraceful.
Disgusting. Despicable. Bother your heart. We get no rest. Help.
Rubbish.
Oh, be quiet.
Hold back.
I'm coming apart. Bust my buffers. Shh. Beep. Help. Oh no. Now there'll be trouble. Whatever will happen next. Rubbish. Well, I'm complaining now.
Cranes are hairy things. They need a lot of attention, like me, in fact.
Help! I can't.
Oh, look. It's a little green goblin on wheels.
Well, bust my boiler. Despicable. What a boring view. Sick, me, never. What happened? Help me, please.
Bother.
I'll try, sir. I'm hot. Told you so. Bother. That's all I can do. Bother. Good luck. Bother. Ha! Really? Rubbish. Pa! Ooh! Help! Go away. Pa!
Silence. Where's Thomas?
Huh? Abelfof. Ah. Abelfof. Ho, ho, ho. Abelfof. Huh. I'm the greatest. Get out of my way. Now we'll be late.
Time for a snooze.
Percy's been put upon, put upon, put upon. Percy's been put upon, poor old Percy.
Silence!
Oh no! The mine's collapsing! Yes, indeed. Be brave, Toby. Ghosts! Be quiet. Smine, snop, smine, snop. Silly, snap Bill. Silly yourself. Oh, what's that? Oh no, I'm overheating again. Oh, pa. Oh no. Oh, yes, why not? Phew, why? Help!
Despicable.
Disgusting. A whirly bird thing. Part. Will Gordon be scrapped, sir? See. Oh, yes. Look, you're it. What? Where's that? Botheration. Be quiet. Slow yourself. Be quiet. Surprise, surprise. Catch us if you can. Oh, no. Dustier and dustier. Ready, steady, go. Follow the leader. Yikes. What was that? Help, help. Oh, no.
Stopped at last. Nonsense.
It's the ghost. Take me back, please. No. It's rolling along our line. Oh, no, it's behind us. Yikes. It's running loose. Yikes. Oh, no, it's heading straight for me. Good. Break it. Snap it. On. Faster. Avalanche.